VIP is dropped off. Now we're going to go charge up, top off for the morning, and then we're going to get our ass home so we can get into these charts. We got to make some money, bro. Let's make some money! Sitting here almost charged up for the day at 78%. I'm just, I'm looking around my car, man. You know how many car mounts I got in here for this damn camera? Look, here's one right here, right? This is a put together piece, snap mounts and the Tellison mount there. Plus this comes off like this, right? And then the camera sits on this piece here. And then you got this camera mount here, as you can see, the quick disconnects, quick disconnect, quick disconnect. And then you got this one up here, which just kind of rolls down like that. And then we can snap that there. We put the camera on the snap mount goes there. And next thing you know, we're looking at like that. I'm just saying, in the car. I got, and that's phone mount. That actually might be the best phone mount I've ever had. That sucker is so strong. Market's open. You see that green candle? That's the opening candle right now. I'm on the 15-minute chart here, and that's how we trade. But we are not late. You can see it's 0932 for my military personnel, 9:32 a.m. for you civilians, and we're going to let this candle set up. Now, I'm only about maybe 5 minutes from the house, so I'll be in the house, in the office, on time to trade that 15-minute orb. All right, so we got our 15-minute orb set right here. You can see that line right there, top yellow, top out. The problem with this is going to be, you're going to have to be really cautious on this. Opening range candle is 280 points. So that's 140 points of room to the midline on drawdown. If we take this trade, we are going to have to really manage this trade today. We might not even take an orb trade. We might wait till 10 a.m. I might just wait till 10 a.m. and let the market stabilize and play out. Remember, with trading, man, the rule number one, preserve capital. Got to preserve capital. And then rule number two, let's make this money. Situation changed. Emergency came up, and now we are out. Actually, grabbed a shower. We didn't take any trades. You know what? Hold on a minute. I got to change the filter. All right, that's better. When you get bright sunlight out here, I've noticed in some of my past videos that it starts the exposure. It's too much exposure. Y'all know what the hell I'm saying. Anyway, put a little ND8 filter on this action camera, and we are good to go. Anyway, I got a phone call. Got to go put out a fire. So since I got to go up there anyway, and I didn't see anything in the markets, PMI news hit at 10 a.m. and it was mixed, I guess, at best. And the candle, the market's just like slow grind. It's bullish, but it's like bullish neutral. And what I've learned from, the last year of trading futures is when you got a slow grind like that, seek and destroy. They are looking to stop out shorts, stop out longs until the market makes a decision which way it wants to go. If you're trading right now, you're a better man than me. That's all I'm going to say. All right, situation controlled and done and worked out. And so that's all done. I did what I had to do. Now it is 11:45 a.m. I just looked at the markets again, and they're just kind of chopping around there. The orb trade would have been good, but you know what? Well, I shouldn't say it had been good. It would have still been alive, right? The trade would have been still going, but I would have been, in pure panic mode because I'm not there to watch it and manage it. And, it's not about P&L watching. It's about understanding the trades and the probabilities of them working out. And I'm just not that good at that yet. I like to be in front of the charts with my hand on the trigger. So if I got to jump out, I can jump out. I try to minimize my risk. That's trading. Trading is make more than you lose, goddammit. That's the way it is. Anyway, we are going to go get a car wash. And I think, you know what? Let's open up the app. Let's see what the app looks like. If there's anything going on. What? Says it's surging now. $11 right there. App is on. Did the 11 stay? I haven't looked yet. The 11's right there. Let's go see if we can get the $11. What the hell? This might be the universe, baby. Second mission accomplished, Joe. That's 2 green flags. We put out that fire, and now we got the $11 sticky. So now we're going to make our way over to the car wash. If we get a ride before that, that's cool because the car ain't dirty. Well, it rained a little bit last night, so I want to just get the dust off a old girl here, and then we'll go from there. See if we can make some money out here, man, since we didn't make any trades today. First ride in the books, $41.92, of which $11 was surge. Trip took 30 minutes on about 12.1 miles. Awesome thing about that rider was she was so curious about the Tesla that I was able to, I don't normally do that with Premier rides, but I was able to throw it into FSD. The car drove itself probably 95% of the way till we got to her community at the guard gate and going through all that stuff. So that was an awesome little deal. Now we'll see, will it translate into a tip? That's the whole point of driving the Tesla, is to not only be efficient on our end, but to also make a few bucks off the tips, because not everybody has one. I got one. That way, y'all. So I just got the alert from TradingView. Our trade this morning, if we would have taken the 15-minute orb, which was right here, if we would have gone ahead and just withstood all of that, we would have hit price target number 1, which means that would have been, was it 140 points? So $280 trade to the plus for us. But again, it's hard for me to sit there and take these trades when the market's so choppy like that. I'm still trying to find my confidence in the orb, but we're getting there, y'all. We're getting there. So I just spent the last 20 minutes cleaning up the car, getting it nice and detailed, this, that, and the other, you know, because it was due, right? It was due. We got nice, partly cloudy skies everywhere. Everything's good, right? But then look at this shit. Look at this shit. In the middle of the goddamn day, with all kinds of cars, they want to turn on the fucking sprinklers. The city of Boca Raton wants to turn on the fucking sprinklers for 150 feet worth of grass, 150 feet by 3 foot wide. And now everybody that's gone and gotten their car washed during the day, people that are doing, they got to put up with this shit. I swear to Jesus, they got more goddamn water on the street than they do on the grass. Okie dokie, we are at 165.30 in about 4.5 hours online, 7 trips. Pretty good start to the week. I'm happy with it. We're gonna charge up now. I got about an hour. It's 5:17 p.m. for my civilian personnel. I got about an hour before I got to pick up the VIP. So we're gonna go ahead and get a good charge on the car. Try to get a couple more rides in. I'd like to hit 200 since I had to come out today, you know, and get started earlier. If I can hit 200 before I got to pick up the VIP, that'd be a bonus. And then tonight when I get home, I still have 2 Amazon reviews I got to do. So when we get back in the office, I'll wrap up the whole Uber Duber thing and show you the products that I'm doing the review on. So I got home last night, ate, opened up YouTube, and that was it. I didn't get anything else done. But we did finish the day yesterday at 2:13 and change, I believe. I don't know. I'll post it here. So while I didn't get to trade, and while I was too damn lazy to get home and do those 2 reviews I need to do, we still had a positive day. And at the end of the day, man, if we can just keep having those positive days, I think that's what counts. I think that's what's important. So, yep, I'm going to keep posting. I'm trying this thing where it's not necessarily that I want to post to YouTube every day with all the channels. It's just that I want to keep in front of this camera and keep recording. Because YouTube has changed, and we'll get into that in today's video. That's right. I'll be back later today with another video. Peace!